What's up, man? How was it?
I love the car. Honestly,
I know. But you like it though?
Yeah, I like it.
It's dope. I'm gonna just take a quick little walk around just to always do. Yeah, people always ask like, how's Turo going, and like I can never give like direct answers. So I'm gonna just start recording how I do it and let people see it that way. Cause it's hard to just answer all the questions all the time. But yeah, man. But if you don't mind, how we grow the business is we just go off our reviews. So if you can leave us a review, man, that'd be great.
I love your review.
Oh, you already did it?
Yeah, I give 5 stars. Everything. I love the car, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a nice car. You can look inside. I cleaned everything.
Good.
Everything was fine. I cleaned the car. The only thing I didn't have time to do was pump gas, but still I have tank.
Okay.
Whatever that needs to be done with that.
Yeah, I just charged the difference. And I'll go fill it up right now, and I'll send you a picture of the receipt.
No, I mean I don't care honestly.
Yeah.
But what I was gonna tell you is the only thing. You know how you asked me for the receipts? I saved one on accident, but I have the bank statement for the other one.
I trust you.
I have the first receipt isn't there. I only pumped 2 times.
Okay. All right. Yeah, don't worry about it, man. I trust you.
Yeah, but like I said, the receipt's in there, and I have the bank statement if you need to see it, if you want to.
It's good, bro. I trust you. The key is inside, or?
The key, I'm just gonna give it to you.
Cool. All right, man. That's it. I'll leave you a review too. I'll definitely leave you a 5-star review. It was everything was good. And that's it, man.
All right, man, for sure.
If y'all ever out here again, man, let me know. I'll hook y'all up.
I'm for sure gonna get it there. Okay.
Okay. Cool.
For sure, man. Appreciate it.
All right, y'all take care. What I do is I get that good old Lysol and I spray it down. The car it's not dirty, but it got like it don't smell fresh. So I'm gonna just spray it down, and I'm probably gonna like just wash out the inside just to finish up the checkout. They forgot to put gas in. So what you do when they forget to put gas in the car is you just replace the gas, take a picture of the receipt, and then charge them what it costs to replenish the gas back to the level that it was at. So I'm just gonna do that. I always drop off the car full, so it should be easy for them to bring it back full. But the last little walk around, everything looks good, bro. You can't really see this during the day, but my lights are blacked out. This car is so clean to me, bro. It's super custom, bro. Like, exhaust is custom, wheels are custom. It got a custom tune with the N-gauge. It's got the suede and leather too. Just spray out all the areas where people touch. That's the main stuff I spray. Spray where people touch. How's it going? Alright. But yeah, just spray all the high touch areas. They touch right here, they might touch the radio. Just spray everything down. All the high touch areas. They gotta go to the back seat. Spray it all down. That's it, man. Another day, another dollar. All right, man, y'all stay up. Real quick, before I pull off, just wanted to show y'all how easy this process is. All I did was go put the $25 in the tank and then go on the app and charge him in the last trip for it. So I sent the invoice, sent him a note, $25 for the fuel, and he also accidentally took the charger out leaving here for the guest. Yeah, he took the charger that I leave in here for the guests, so I charged him for that too, to replace the charger. Just wanted to show y'all really quick how easy it is to charge for those gas. People complain about it, but it's simple. It's just $20 for the charger that he took, and I charged him $25 for the gas to replace it. Turo charges a $10 inconvenience fee because it actually is an inconvenience. I have to go put the gas in the car, and I have to go replace the charger. So $10 inconvenience fee isn't bad, and Turo charges it for you. So if they push back on it, hey, this is a Turo policy. That's all you need to say. Hey, this is a Turo policy. I can't change it. It is an inconvenience. I do apologize if there's any misunderstanding. Just be professional. That's it. Stay safe, y'all.
Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Just flew in from London.